Welcome to Winsoft Technologies. It's me Prakash. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write JavaScript code in body tag, guys. In the last video, I've shown you how to write JavaScript code within head tag. So now we are going to use how to write JavaScript code in body tag. Okay, yeah. So we'll switch to Visual Studio Code, guys. We have the browser. Visual Studio Code is already open. This was the last example. Let me close it. And then I'm creating a new file, guys. Let's go to this, and when you click on this button you can see the list of folders and files available. So the previous example was demo1.html, and I want to add one more file, guys. Click on this button and I said demo2.html. okay, press enter. Then the file is getting ready, guys, and you can write the code now. So I'm writing the comment first. Okay, so writing JavaScript code or JS code, you can say script code in a body tag. That is what the demo I'm going to show you. And as I said, you doc type is always recommended. Doc type HTML because it's HTML5, and then HTML tag is open close. So common thing, guys. And then immediately I'm writing body here. So of course you can write head tag as well. I'm not writing S directly. I'm writing a body tag. Inside that H2 I'm taking heading 2. So I said JavaScript code demo. Okay. Yeah. Now what I'm writing is paragraph. I'm taking as P for paragraph, and here what I'm writing is, so we can write JavaScript code in body tag, like that I said something. Okay, and the next paragraph what I'm taking here is empty, guys. So when you write any paragraph without any content, this is the paragraph tag open close, but there is no content in between this. For this paragraph we have written some content where we can write JavaScript code like that. That's okay, but for this what I'm writing is, I'm writing ID, guys. Paragraph ID is equal to something like demo. Demo is my ID. You can give any name, guys. Demo is nothing but like an identifier variable name. Okay, and in bottom after this paragraph what we are writing is, we are writing a script tag, guys. So script tag consists of JavaScript code. So what are we writing inside it? I am writing here document dot get element by ID. So with what ID I need to search? Any element is found with ID demo that I wanted to change with my code. Okay, so what I'm writing is get element by ID. Wherever you find demo, so that should be replaced with dot inner HTML. We have a property called inner HTML, guys. So that is equal to what I'm saying. This is Prakash. Okay, some message can be anything, guys. Semicolon. Statement is terminated. So what is meant by this? So let me save it here. Go to file, save, hide it so that you can see completely. So document.get element by ID demo, wherever you find demo, so it will go to this paragraph. So inner HTML dot inner HTML means it will write the content in between paragraph tag open and close. What it is going to write? This is Prakash. So in this way we are going to get the second paragraph with this is Prakash. The first para is we can write JavaScript code in body tag as well, like that you'll get message, and H2 will be heading, guys. If you want to give any background color, you can say body BG color is equal to, okay, give some color if you want to give. Okay, BG color is equal to cyan I'm giving. Okay, save it, guys, Control S, and now go back to the browser and type here something called prakash/demo2.html. see this, guys, we got the message, and you can zoom it if you want to see now. JavaScript demo code demo, we can write JavaScript code in body tag, and this is Prakash. So this paragraph 2 is having demo ID. That is why this is replaced with this is Prakash. Okay, what is the code written for this HTML file? If you want to see, just right click on this browser and say view page source. or for some browsers they might give you view source like that. Okay, view source or view page source, both are same. Okay, see the code, guys. This is the code I wrote for my HTML page, in which I've written some comment on the top, doc type declaration. This is there for all HTML files, 5 files, and if you are not writing this also, it works, guys, but that doesn't comes under HTML5. And the body bg color, and I wrote script tag inside body tag, and we are calling this id with the get element by id method, and we are replacing that inner HTML with the this is Prakash. So in this way we can run JavaScript code in a body tag, guys. Okay, in the next video I'll show you how to create an external JavaScript file and how to call it in HTML file. Okay, so thank you, guys. See you in the next video.